2018 Volvo V60 Cross Country Review. The V60 Cross Country can be a wagon that does not mind getting dirty. The 2018 Volvo V60 Cross Country suits a niche occupied by way of a small group of vehicles such as Audi A4 Allroad, Subaru Outback and Volkswagen Golf Alltrack. It's a Deutsche wagon. These models start as standard wagons. Even so, the automakers hand them over increased ground clearance and standard all-wheel drive to improve their capability once the pavement ends. The V60 Cross Country contains the same stylish interior because V60 but is included with unpainted wheel arch extensions and a few body protection pieces that can help minimize scuffs and nicks from kicked rocks and branches. The V60 Cross Country isn't a rock crawler. However, the increased ground clearance and all-wheel drive should aid you in situations, for example getting to an isolated campsite or merely dealing with an unplowed driveway. Just like the V60 wagon, though, the Cross Country's rear cargo and passenger space do not have. Most full-size adults won't desire to spend too much time back there. Also, the Cross Country doesn't handle as well since the regular V60. Still, prefer a luxury wagon and require more ground clearance, the V60 Cross Country can be a solid choice. What's new? The 2018 Volvo V60 Cross Country is mechanically unchanged from 2017. Unlike the V60 wagon, the V60 Cross Country will not be available using a higher output engine. So our options: the V60 Cross Country T5 Platinum. It incorporates a premium Harman Kardon audio system, navigation, and additional safety options including adaptive cruise control and forward collision mitigation. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Volvo V60 Cross Country can be a 5-seat wagon using the V60 wagon. There are two trims available, T5 and T5 Platinum. Both have a turbocharged 2.0-litre engine, 240 horsepower, 258 lb-ft of torque, an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Standard equipment around the T5 includes 18-inch wheels, automatic headlights, LED running lights, hill descent control, rear parking sensors, a sunroof, power-folding heated mirrors, roof rails, rear privacy glass, back and front skid plates, dual-zone automatic climate control, power-adjustable front seats, driver seat memory settings, leather upholstery, a tilt and telescoping tyre, a 402/040 split rear seat with power-folding headrests, as well as a built-in cargo cover dog safety divider. Tech features include Bluetooth, Volvo on-call emergency services, the Volvo Sensors infotainment interface which has a 7-inch display, Sensors Connect smartphone apps, a navigation system, as well as an 8-speaker speakers with a CD player, a USB audio interface and satellite radio. The convenience package adds a rear-view camera and keyless ignition and entry. The technology package incorporates adaptive cruise control and also a variety of accident avoidance and driver alert technologies, for example, forward collision warning and mitigation along with lane departure warning. The V60 Cross Country Platinum T5 models range from the convenience and technology packages and add adaptive xenon headlights with washers, auto-dimming mirrors plus a 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio system. Hardly any other options are designed for both trims. The blind package is included with a blind spot monitoring system, rear cross-traffic alert and front parking sensors. The climate package adds an indoor air quality system plus a multitude of heated items, including the front and back seats, controls, windshield and windshield washer nozzles. Integrated child booster seats feature the climate package and will also be picked as being a standalone option. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically also comes in multiple versions which might be fundamentally similar. The S within this review derived from our full test with the 2015 Volvo V60 Cross Country T5 Platinum Wagon Turbo 2.5 litres inline 5, 6-speed automatic, FWD. Note: since this test was conducted, the latest Volvo V60 Cross Country has brought some revisions, including a new engine and transmission, shuffling of options and trim packages. Our findings remain broadly applicable to this particular year's Volvo V60, though. Cross Country was initially tested, it turned out let down by its low grip tyres and old powertrain. Braking, handling and acceleration are consequently weaker than the usual V60 equipped with the latest powertrain. Otherwise, it is just as pleasant drive an automobile with the added ground clearance benefit. Acceleration. The 240 horsepower, 2.0-litre turbo four-cylinder provides solid power and acceleration. The 8-speed automatic pairs by using it nicely and shifts quickly. Braking. Emergency braking distances really are a little longer than average for any car with all-season tyres. Stickier rubber would yield better results. But the brakes themselves seem fine, resisting fade and producing consistent stopping distances. Steering. There are 3 steering modes. Comfort is sloppy, high is elastic bandy. We liked medium the top, using a proper weighting along with a direct action, without getting busy or nervous at highway speeds. Gives a good balance of control and comfort. Handling. The as-tested tyres did the Cross Country no favours, delivering considerably worse grip and handling numbers at our track over a V60 with better rubber. But the extra ride height doesn't substantially hamper things. Comfort. The sublime seats contribute greatly to your Cross Country's overall appeal. After a long workday or doing something active outdoors, absolutely nothing is quite like sinking into these impeccable buckets. Sadly, the ride is just not as supple as we'd expect at a Volvo wagon. Seat comfort. The leather front sports seats are perfectly contoured for both lateral support and comfort. There are few better. The outer rear seats may also be deeply defined, making the very center position higher and well suited to children. Ride comfort. You'd think the V60 Cross Country might have a comfier than normal ride, given its 18-inch wheels and additional ride height, but it is surprisingly firm and also a bit stiff-legged over bumps. A sport-tuned BMW 3 Series actually rides better. Noise and vibration. You'd think the V60 Cross Country might have a comfier than normal ride, given its 18-inch wheels and additional ride height, however it's surprisingly firm as well as a bit stiff-legged over bumps. A sport-tuned BMW 3 Series actually rides better. Interior. The V60 Cross Country doesn't boast as offense space as numerous rival wagons or SUVs, however it succeeds as something far beyond a sedan. The low roof and load height differentiate it from SUVs. Those averse to newfangled tech interfaces should appreciate the V60, touchies will find it quaint. Ease beneficial. The center stack is appealing, and certain basic controls are simple to use, though the tech interface is overdue for the ergonomic update. The reconfigurable digital instrument panel is fantastic with large, clear graphics. Getting in, jetting out. The extra ride height makes it easier to penetrate and out when compared to a regular V60, complementing the sensible seat height and appropriately sized doors. Relative to a higher riding SUV, the reduced cargo floor is often a plus, and the lower roof makes securing rack-mounted items easier. Roominess. The front seat room and adjustability are fantastic, with superb telescoping wheel reach. The back seat headroom is a useful one, but legroom is lacking compared to many small SUVs, as well as being a BMW 3 Series wagon. Visibility. The Cross Country features a higher outward view than you obtain in regular wagons. Push-button folding rear head restraints give you a clear view to back and rear quarter windows. Quality. Volvo's track record of building a solid car is intact within the V60 Cross Country. The leather is soft, plus the materials over the dash are richly textured. Perhaps not luxurious inside the traditional sense, but there's reasonably limited feel. Utility. Small item storage is subpar in the beginning. So is the most cargo capacity of 43.8 cubic feet, yet it's more beneficial in practice and benefits from your low-load floor and 402040 split seats. The standard dog skewering net can attach in 2 places. Technology. The one place where the V60 arises short is within infotainment. While the standard system features USB, Bluetooth and satellite radio, it lacks advanced smartphone integration.